Hello, my name is Nick Schultz, and for my Eagle project, I'm going to be presenting to you numerous topics relating to emergency preparedness. This presentation is called Where is Everybody? This is about developing a communications plan. In emergency situations, you may need to contact family members, friends, or caregivers to check on their safety or advise them of your status. You should follow the steps below to develop a communications plan. First, identifying contacts. List the names, addresses, phone numbers, and other essential information for family members, friends, caregivers, and other frequently used contacts. Here are some tips. Immediate family members include those still living in your home, those who are away temporarily at college, deployed, etc., and those living elsewhere in your community or in other places. Extended family members, such as parents and other relatives, may live close by or in other places. They too may need to be contacted if they are affected by an emergency, or they may need to know your status if the emergency occurred in your area. Some family members may be entrusted to caregivers in group homes, nursing homes, or other facilities or programs. Some may live alone but depend on health care or personal care providers for support. Again, you or they may be affected by an emergency and need to be contacted. Don't forget your pets. They may be left at home or in kennels while you're away during the day or on extended periods of travel. In emergencies, you may need to know if they are safe or if someone can check on them. Be sure to include an out-of-town contact. It may be easier to make a long-distance phone call than to call across town, so an out-of-town contact may be in a better position to communicate among separated family members. You should organize your contact information into a communications plan. You may also want to prepare wallet cards with contact information to laminate and store in your wallet for ready access. Review your communications plan. After you have assembled your plan and cards, review them with family members and other contacts to ensure the information is complete and accurate. Add alternate phone numbers or contacts as needed. As for sharing your plan, be sure every family member knows the phone number of the emergency contact and has a cell phone, coins to use a payphone, or a prepaid phone card. Teach family members or friends to use text messaging. Text messages can often get through network disruptions when phone calls can't. If you have a cell phone, program your primary contact as ICE, which means in case of emergency. In an accident, emergency personnel will often check ICE listings. Tell your contact that you've listed him or her as your emergency contact person. Include your communications plan in your family disaster kit. Post a copy on the refrigerator or near a telephone. Distribute copies of your plan to everyone who needs to have one. You should also update your plan and wallet card as needed. An important part is staying informed. Subscribe to alert services. Many communities now have systems that will send instant text alerts or emails about bad weather, road closings, or local emergencies. Sign up by visiting your local Office of Emergency Management website. A good idea would also be to make a sheet or card with important information. Recommended things to put on this are emergency contact name and phone number, an out-of-town contact name and phone number, neighborhood meeting place and telephone, other important information / additional important phone numbers, and a reminder to dial 911 for emergencies. All information in this presentation was provided by FEMA using official materials. The contents of this presentation and more information can be found at www.fema.gov. My name is Nick Schultz. Thank you for watching.